Hey guys, Brian here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the mistakes I've already made again and what I'm going to do while I wrap some gifts because it's Christmas season and I got to wrap these gifts. So I actually like wrapping gifts. I find it very calming and I like to do it, but I wish I had a second camera to show you exactly how I'm wrapping things, but I probably do, but I don't have it set up, but it's okay. You don't need to see it. But let me know if you guys want me to ever show you like what I'm doing. I could always set up like a second camera. That's not that hard to do. To set up a second camera and all that. And for the people that said like it's hard to see my screen, I think I fixed it. I'll try it out with like the next video after this one. But in this one, I just want to talk about what I'm doing because obviously the MSTX play that I did, the put that I chose, is now very deep in the money, and that kind of sucks. So I picked a 69 put for MSTX. Let me see exactly what it was. I have it all up here. Yeah, a 96 strike for MSTX, and the current price of MSTX is making me want to cry. Let me Google that really quick. MSTX. Yeah. I'll show you it really quick, just to see. This is the current price of MSTX, which is making me want to cry. Let's make that bigger. 65.87, so like $30 below. So, even though I said it'd be my gambling money, right? Even though I said that, I don't like to gamble. Like for those of you that know me or that know me personally, I really just don't like to gamble. Like the most I'll do is roulette, and that's like that's not even 50-50 shot, you know? So what I did, I actually ended up buying the clothes and had to pay a good amount of money for it. So I made how much off that? $235 off that initial play, right? $235 off that initial play, and I had to buy it back for, drum roll please, just under $3,000. Was it worth it? No. Was it worth the learning experience? No. Because that just shows you like you can't, like I told you, it was a risky play. It was a leveraged play off of a leveraged stock that is just, that rides heavily on Bitcoin. And even though I'm super bullish on Bitcoin, any kind of news could flip it, you know? The Fed news absolutely tanked it that they're not going to do like the Federal Reserve, and the basis points. It just wasn't a good time for news to come out like that, and that's what made this put so terrible for me, a cash secured put. If I did an actual put, like if I bought a put, I could have made a crazy amount of money, but I didn't. So my lesson from this, want to know my lesson from this? Is stick to what I'm good at. I always get hit with this like shiny object syndrome, and it makes me lose money. So I have to stop doing that. Like every time I see, like, even though I always tell myself like, oh yeah, I have some gamble money. It's like, no. It's like, yeah, I did, but now I also lost $3,000 of my $10,000 of gamble money. And now I'm kind of pissed off about it because I could have just like I could have just made that same amount of money maybe in like a month-long cash secured put for like Palantir or something that I absolutely do want in my portfolio, and that could appreciate very well for me if it did go down. But now I'm stuck and No, well, I'm not stuck. Now I'm just down 3 grand, and it sucks that I'm down 3 grand. Look how beautiful. I'm awesome at doing this, and that's where I'm at now. And this is what I'm talking about, though. Like, I like it when people could learn from me and learn from all my mistakes. Obviously, I make a lot of good plays, but I'm very human, and luckily I do have a little bit of money to gamble around, you know. But that's the beauty of this platform, right, of YouTube. I'm gonna be fully transparent with everybody. Like, I'm showing you that, yeah, I have a 7-figure net worth. Yeah, I'm a nurse. Like, yeah, I traded for like 10 years, but I still get shiny object syndrome, and I try to chase premiums every now and then, even though I tell you guys not to all the time. And that's what happens when you fall out of your strategy, your proven strategy. That's what happens. You just get you get fucked a little bit. But here we are. I learned from it again, and now I'm just gonna stick to what I do best. Stick to like the 5 stocks that I always go over with, like Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir. I do Coinbase. I do SoFi, and I've gone in and out of AMD, so that'll be like the 6th one. So like these are the ones that I just got to stick to, because those are the ones I've researched a lot, and those are the ones that I know I could do really well with. Like, I know MicroStrategy could make a lot of people money, but so could all the rest. You just have to, it'll just take a little bit more time, and it's a little bit more safer to do. So that's what I'm going to do. I do always appreciate everyone that watches me and either laughs at my losses and my stupidity, or are just like me and learning from my mistakes and will not make the same mistake that I did and get to your financial goals way quicker than me. So thanks again for watching. All I ask for you guys to do is just to drop some likes on this video. I'm being as transparent as possible, and that helps me out. That helps the channel out. And check out the links down below if you like free money, because if you deposit into like Robinhood, MooMoo, what else is down there, Gemini, it helps the channel out. It'll get you free money, and it'll also get me a little kickback. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.